It's the kittens. Like the children on any rainy day, they're bored and don't know what to do with themselves, so they're just going to make general trouble. Miss Nomad, you should be cleaning the bottoms of your own feet. He just came in with muddy feet. Although the Tribble is way overdue for a bath. She's going to get one this week, I think. Harumph. Okay, here's a nice close-up of Mariah's inefficient cleaning process. She just doesn't take it serious. You just don't take this seriously, kitty. Consequent. No, don't bite. Ow! Don't bite. No. Thank you. See? Grunge. Grunge. I spent all my time picking grunge out of this kitten. Don't wag that tail at me. Don't wag that tail at me. And nobody knows how to do the cleaning. He's doing a good job. That's why he looks good all the time. Mariah. No, don't slap the tail.